Calculus. Today we will find where f double prime of x equals 0 for the function f of x equals x cubed minus 3x squared minus 9x plus 8. Think of f double prime as the slope of the slope. It tells us how the steepness itself is changing. We will move step by step. First derivative, second derivative, then set it equal to 0 and solve. Step 1. Find the first derivative using the power rule. 4x to the n. The derivative is n times x to the n minus 1. We will take the derivative term by term. The derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. The derivative of negative 3x squared is negative 6x. The derivative of negative 9x is negative 9. The derivative of 8, a constant, is 0. Putting these together, f prime of x equals 3x squared minus 6x minus 9. Step 2. Take the derivative again to get the second derivative. Differentiate each term in f prime. The derivative of 3x squared is 6x. The derivative of negative 6x is negative 6. The derivative of negative 9 is 0. Therefore, f double prime of x equals 6x minus 6. Step 3. Solve f double prime of x equals 0. Set 6x minus 6 equal to 0. Add 6 to both sides. 6x equals 6. Divide both sides by 6x equals 1. So the value where f double prime of x equals 0 is x equals 1. To visualize the solution, mark x equals 1 on a number line. This is the x value where the slope of the slope is 0. Summary. We differentiated once to get f prime, differentiated again to get f double prime equals 6x minus 6, and solved f double prime equals 0 to find x equals 1. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make math simple.